Welcome back live from Grange Jetty. After what's been day one of a 5-day hot spell for the city, we're expecting temperatures to reach 30 degrees or above right up until next Tuesday. And today it was a little above the forecast, reaching 31.1 degrees in the city. Started the day on 8.8. Currently in the city, it's still in the low 20s. A warm night ahead. Now across the suburbs today, it reached 21 degrees at Elizabeth, topped 30 at Noarlunga and Mount Lofty 25. In the north and west, Ceduna hit a top of 36 compared with Clare, which reached 25. And in the south, Mount Gambier had a milder top of 25. The Riverland and Murraylands reaching the low 30s. Now, high over the eastern states will strengthen into tomorrow, directing a hot northerly airstream across the state over the long weekend, while a significant trough is expected across the state on Tuesday, bringing a cool change. Around the country tomorrow, sunshine and windy conditions in Melbourne, up to 30 degrees for the AFL Grand Final. Windy in Hobart, sunny in Sydney and Darwin. Tomorrow across South Australia, dry and very hot in parts, reaching 37 degrees in Ceduna, 36 in Port Augusta and a top of 31 in Clare. A hot day further south too, Kingscote a little cooler with a top of 26 degrees. The Riverland headed for a top of 36. Now, a strong wind warning has been issued for the state's lower southeast coast tomorrow. And on metro waters, winds tending northeasterly 5 to 10 knots, tending northerly up to 15 knots before dawn and decreasing in the late afternoon. For this week's fishing tips, blue crabs are showing up at a few metropolitan beaches, especially the northern beaches, and you'll find King George whiting at Semaphore, Brighton and Somerton. And if you're headed further afield for the long weekend, try Wallaroo or Waipinga for salmon, and for kingfish you should do well at Coffin Bay or around Port Augusta. Tomorrow will be day 2 of the October heat for the city and suburbs, up to 34 degrees on the way for Elizabeth, a touch cooler in the southern suburbs and hills. And for Adelaide tomorrow, a sunny top of 33 to kick off the long weekend, and a warm night tonight, only dropping to 16, now reaching 31 degrees on Sunday, so a little bit cooler than first predicted, but still up to 35 next Monday and 30 on Tuesday before the cool change comes before Wednesday with a top of 20 degrees. And just a reminder, Brenton and Kate, that it's daylight saving. This Sunday we'll wind our clocks forward an hour and have those longer days.
More